Well, Australia and actually much of the world has very degraded, dehydrated landscapes. We're losing our soils, and if we want to go into future years, future decades, future centuries being able to produce nutritious food, first thing we have to do is get our landscapes repaired and rehydrated. It is absolutely vital.
Well, we estimate now there's something around about 1 million kilometres of degraded and dehydrated systems. So it's not any small task to fix, but it's fixable, as we've been able to show, and it's actually fixable quite quickly. So part of that is, as also shown on the video, is the leaky whiz. So it was superbly shown on the animation as to what we're doing. It's not rocket science stuff. It's all about slowing down the water, taking the energy out of the water, in the process lifting the creek level back up, so that when you do get reasonable flows, you get more of the water out into the adjoining paddocks. And on Mulloon Creek, a project that was done back in 2005-06, the top was what it looked like. And so every time there was a decent flow of water, you can imagine the water comes screaming down the creek and it hit that face. What would happen? More soil, more stuff would fall in, so more erosion, and that would be taken away. And more we're reading stories every day in the week. I mean, I heard a story the other day, predictions that if we don't change what we do on the land, we've probably, this is right across the world, we've possibly got maybe 60 yearly harvests to go. It's opening a lot of eyes to a lot of circumstances. Tony fortunately had his eyes opened a bit earlier than many of us. He embarked on work on Mulloon Creek back in the early 2000s. I was in the Parliament at the time, and it was within my electorate, so I got involved. But out of his work, he formed the Mulloon Institute as a not-for-profit. He saw the work that he had been able to do in a pilot sense was so vital that we needed to take this more broadly and advocate for this work to be done. And he saw the Mulloon Institute as a not-for-profit as a vehicle for that.